Good morning! Hello! Welcome to another home tour. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Brighton, Baliwag, Calle Rizal. So this is a Manor model house natin and you have your ang ating lupain. Ayan. Hindi pa lang natin masyadong makita kasi mahaba yung mga damo, but you have your ample lot pa dito sa gilid ng house. Okay. Ating floor area dito ay 114 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and this is your cover carport garage. And you have your access door here. And welcome to our house. Ayan, this is your living area. And you can put here your dining area. And you have your patio. So, let's see. Ayan, since malaki nga yung ating lot, you can use this as your patio area. Ayan. So, you can cover that for your patio, extend nyo na yung inyong dining area, and still here. And I think you can do this as your laundry and dirty kitchen. And we have door, access door, going to the kitchen naman. So, let's check inside. Here's your kitchen, your sink. So, may countertop tayo rito. Yan. Dito nyo lalagay ang inyong ref. And ito yung ating lababo. Ayan. Hugasan. Medyo maliit ang ating sink. But you have your, dito naman pwede ilagay yung gas stove. And maganda kahit nagluluto kayo ay may pintana pa rin. And you can enclose it naman. Option nyo. Dito yung kanina na back door. Ayan. So, yan, pwede nyo gawing laundry area. And diba, yan yung kanina. And this is your utility. Or you can use this as, yan. So, utility area, storage, or pantry. Ayan, square yan. And may window pa rin tayo. Ayan, ito yung kanina sinabi ko na access door sa ating carport. So, kung may pamimili kayo, pamalengke, diretso na agad sa utility area natin or sa storage area, sa kitchen. And then, this is your first toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. Mini storage area din tayo dito. So, you can put, or if you have pet, good siya sa dog. So, may higaan ng ating doggy. Ang ating stairs ay tiles and steel ang ating handrail. Natural light is coming in and you can have your chandelier here. But don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook account and TikTok and Instagram, HomeKid 2017, or look for Clarice Lacanilaw. Our first bedroom here ay ang ating pa-square lang siya. But I think it's have ample for single bed and for a cabinet. And there's a safety feature sa ating mga outlet. May on and off siya. Ayan. So, if you have kids, and nice two window. Yan. So, natural light and looking outside. Twin size, parang twin size sila, pero mas maliit ng konti itong ating second bedroom. And I think, yan, naka-ready siya for the window type. Ayan. This is your shared bathroom for the two toilet and for the two bedrooms, and nice yung sink hanging, so pwede kayo magsalpak ng lalagyanan nyo. And here is your bowl and your shower area, and meron siyang carve out for your soap and shampoo. And welcome to your master's bedroom. And This is so nice, big. And you have your balcony here. Ayan. And we're looking for the, ayun, nandito ang ating, pero tingin ko ano na siya, split type na ang ilalagay nyo kasi wala nang, sa dalawa is window type, this one is split type. And you have a big balcony outside. And we have your own toilet and bath. And I think you can space this out as your vanity area or your closet area. And this is your toilet and bath. So, same size. Ayan. So, 5'3" ako. Medyo mababa itong, kung mataas kayo, medyo mababa yung shower area. Shower niya. But it's okay. If you like this model unit, don't hesitate to contact us, message us, to inquire, and we are happy to schedule you for tripping. God bless.